Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you the top 3 best VPNs that you can use for China. We all know China has a heavy censorship restriction, so that's where a VPN comes in handy. Whether it's for streaming, torrenting, gaming, browsing, or accessing social media, you can check out the 3 options, free and paid, we have below. Remember to check the video description and the link below to get access to exclusive offers and discounts. So the premium options are Express and NordVPN. The free VPN option would be ProtonVPN. I'll talk about what I think works best and why, so let's get straight into it. Note that we're not recommending using a free VPN in China. This is due to the limited functionalities of these free VPNs. If you're trying to get access to the free internet within China, it's best to use a good premium VPN. ProtonVPN has unlimited bandwidth, so you can use it as much as you'd like, though you'd have to be patient with very limited speeds and congested servers in only 3 locations. It's worth trying in China, but again, you're probably going to have some issues. If you're looking for premium options that work very well, I would straight up tell you to get ExpressVPN. It's definitely the best option for you from China. It's easy to use, they have a large number of servers and country locations that you can choose from. It can easily bypass and tear through the Great Firewall of China like it's nothing. You will also get access to the internet with ExpressVPN as if you're not even in China. Whether you're an expat there, a citizen in China, or you're just going there for a visit, ExpressVPN is going to be your best option. If you're looking for the next best option, that would be NordVPN. At the moment though, they're experiencing some connectivity issues in certain regions in China. Some of their servers and configurations for manual connections and applications were recently blocked. Their developers are already working on a fix. NordVPN is cheaper than ExpressVPN, so once their connectivity issues are resolved and you prefer a cheaper VPN, NordVPN is for you. If you opt to use NordVPN, what you can do is use the obfuscated servers right here. One more thing, keep monitoring their announcement as well on their website for updates on this issue. Download one of these options right here so that you can have a better chance of connecting from within China. And you're most likely going to be using the obfuscated servers. So, overall, my number 1 pick for China is definitely ExpressVPN. Again, remember to check the link in the video description below for discounts. ExpressVPN is so easy to use and set up. You just have to download their app, turn it on, and you're good to go. I would recommend that you keep the protocol option on automatic, and you want to keep the kill switch on. The kill switch is a necessary security tool that kills your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. This will certainly help you if you're in a censorship-heavy country, and it will make sure that you're only going to be connected to the internet while you're secured by the VPN in order to prevent any accidental IP leaks. Both ExpressVPN and NordVPN are covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so in case you're not satisfied with any of them, you can easily cancel and request for a refund. No questions asked. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.